Is your iPhone stuck in dark mode and you want to switch back to light mode? In this guide, I will show you exactly how to turn off dark mode on your iPhone 17 quickly and easily. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. At the top, you will see two options, Light and Dark. Simply tap on Light and your iPhone will instantly switch out of dark mode. If your iPhone keeps switching back to dark mode automatically, here's how to fix that. While you are still in Display and Brightness, look for Automatic option. If it's turned on, toggle it off. This will stop your iPhone from switching between light and dark modes based on time or sunset. You can also turn off dark mode from the control center. Swipe down from top right corner of your screen, press and hold on the brightness slider, and tap on the dark mode button to turn it off. And that's it. That's how you can turn off dark mode on your iPhone 17. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.